Talking about feelings. Let's go. Happy. Happy. I feel happy when I spend time with my friends. I feel happy when I spend time with my friends. Sad. Sad. She looked sad after hearing the news. She looked sad after hearing the news. Excited, excited. I'm so excited about my new project. I'm so excited about my new project. Nervous, nervous. I get nervous before speaking in public. I get nervous before speaking in public. Confused, confused. I'm confused about what I should do next. I'm confused about what I should do next. Angry, angry. He was angry because no one listened to him. He was angry because no one listened to him. Upset, upset. She felt upset when her plans were cancelled. She felt upset when her plans were cancelled. Frustrated, frustrated. I get frustrated when things don't go as planned. I get frustrated when things don't go as planned. Relaxed, relaxed. A warm bath always makes me feel relaxed. A warm bath always makes me feel relaxed. Worried, worried. I'm worried about my exam tomorrow. I'm worried about my exam tomorrow. Proud, proud. I'm proud of how much progress you've made. I'm proud of how much progress you've made. Grateful, grateful. I'm grateful for all the support I receive. I'm grateful for all the support I receive. Lonely, lonely. He felt lonely after moving to a new city. He felt lonely after moving to a new city. Hopeful, hopeful. I'm hopeful that things will get better soon. I'm hopeful that things will get better soon. Overwhelmed, overwhelmed. I felt overwhelmed with all the work I had. I felt overwhelmed with all the work I had. Disappointed. I was disappointed when the event got cancelled. I was disappointed when the event got cancelled. Curious. I'm curious about what will happen next. I'm curious about what will happen next. Afraid. She's afraid of flying. She's afraid of flying. Calm. Deep breathing helps me stay calm. Deep breathing helps me stay calm. Motivated. I felt motivated to study harder. I felt motivated to study harder. Shocked. I was shocked when I heard the story. I was shocked when I heard the story. Embarrassed. I felt embarrassed after making a mistake. I felt embarrassed after making a mistake. Satisfied. I'm satisfied with the results of my work. I'm satisfied with the results of my work. Confident. I feel more confident when I practice every day. I feel more confident when I practice every day. Tired. I'm tired after a long day at work. I'm tired after a long day at work. Joyful. Her message made me feel joyful. Her message made me feel joyful. Anxious. I get anxious when I have too many tasks. I get anxious when I have too many tasks. Inspired. I feel inspired after watching motivational videos. I feel inspired after watching motivational videos. Bitter. He sounded bitter about what happened. He sounded bitter about what happened. Hopeful. I'm hopeful about the future. I'm hopeful about the future. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.